Imagine a place where golden sands meet vibrant turquoise waters, where the sun's rays dance on the sea's shimmering surface, and where the air is filled with the exotic scents of the Middle East. Welcome to Sharm El Sheikh. This piece of paradise is nestled on the southernmost tip of the Sinai Peninsula, a part of the ancient land of Egypt. Here, the desert's vastness elegantly merges with the serene beauty of the Red Sea, crafting an exquisite tableau that leaves all who visit in awe. The sun graces this land with its warm embrace all year long, making every day a perfect day for exploration. But it's not just the sceneries that make Sharm El Sheikh special. It's the people, too. The warm, welcoming inhabitants that infuse this paradise with life, with their rich stories and vibrant culture. In the heart of this paradise, a traveler embarks on a journey to discover the hidden gems of Sharm El Sheikh. Our traveler steps foot onto the warm sands, eyes wide with anticipation and heart beating with excitement. As the journey begins, our intrepid explorer ventures into the heart of the city, meandering through bustling local markets. The air is thick with the scent of exotic spices, and the vibrant chatter of traders echoes in the background. The traveler is fascinated by the myriad of colors and textures, the beautifully woven rugs, the intricately designed jewelry, the gleaming brassware. Then, the adventure takes a turn towards the serene. Our traveler plunges into the crystal-clear waters of the Red Sea, a world of tranquil blue where time seems to stand still. Here, beneath the surface, a vibrant underwater landscape unfolds. Coral reefs, like underwater gardens, teem with life. Exotic fish of every hue dart between the corals while graceful sea turtles glide by. Emerging from the depths, the traveler is greeted by the warm, welcoming smiles of the Bedouins. In the heart of the desert, under a canopy of stars, a taste of traditional Egyptian cuisine awaits. Freshly baked bread, succulent grilled meats, and sweet, aromatic tea, each bite and sip a testament to the rich history and culture of the region. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, the traveler's day comes to a close, but the journey is far from over. As night falls, Sharm El Sheikh transforms, revealing a vibrant nightlife that pulses with energy. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city begins to buzz with an infectious rhythm. The streets come alive with twinkling lights, music, and laughter. The traveler is drawn to the lively bars and nightclubs that dot the cityscape. Each venue is a blend of modern and traditional, offering a unique experience. From pulsating dance floors to cozy lounge areas, there's a place for everyone. On the beaches, parties ignite with the setting sun. The soft sand becomes a dance floor under the open sky, with the rhythm of the waves as the soundtrack. Traditional music and dance shows are woven into the night, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Sharm El Sheikh. Away from the city, stargazing excursions take place in the quiet desert, offering a tranquil counterpoint to the city's lively scene. Under the starlit sky, the traveler experiences the lively spirit of Sharm El Sheikh, a spirit that pulsates with joy, warmth, and unending energy. As the sun rises on another beautiful day, our traveler reflects on the adventures experienced in Sharm El Sheikh. This splendid journey, rich in color and contrasts, has been a feast for the senses. The pristine beaches with their soft sands and crystal-clear waters have been a haven of tranquility, a perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. The underwater world, teeming with life, has been a treasure trove of experiences. The vibrant corals, the playful fish, and the mesmerizing marine life have been a testament to the rich biodiversity that this place holds. The bustling local markets, pulsating with energy and color, have been a cultural immersion, offering a glimpse into the everyday life of the locals. The aroma of spices, the chatter of vendors, and the array of goods have been a sensory delight. The delicious cuisine, rich in flavors and textures, has been a culinary journey, with each dish telling a story of its own. The warmth and hospitality of the people have been a constant companion, making our traveler feel at home in this foreign land. The vibrant nightlife, with its pulsating music and energetic vibe, has been a celebration of life itself. As our traveler bids farewell to this paradise, they carry with them memories of a place where the desert meets the sea, where the days are filled with sunshine and adventures, and where every night is a celebration. This is Sharm El Sheikh, a slice of paradise.